morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. For today's menu, we have oatmeal and, oh my god, beautiful bananas. We have the oatmeal. I can't see too much sun for you, Jaden. Okay, let's let go. Julian. Julie. Come with us as we go grocery shopping. Are you getting some?
You said green apples?
Yeah, just get 3. Do you want to try this cream soda? Big deal on it. Have you ever tried this one? You know, actually, this is the one.
Oh, yeah, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that strawberry white.
Look at you.
Oh, yeah.
Do you really know if I got it though?
If you got that.
If I got the whole wine.
I don't know.
Okay, that's supposed to like.
Cheddar Jack is a different type of cheese. It's probably like yours.
Yeah, I will say. And then there's the barista, but I think it's like that. I don't know. Oh, Coca-Cola. This is a sugar scrape. No. Watermelon. Oh my god. This one's pretty good. This one's better. Yeah, biscuit. No. Oh my god, babe, come and smell this. There's this one?
I'm going to be honest with you. I think I bought that for myself before.
Yeah?
When I was competing, because they told me I needed to exfoliate. I like that one.
The watermelon? It's good. I didn't know they had tree head here. This one. Just go. Huh? Why are you gonna? Alright guys, so we just came back from Walmart. My husband wanted to get a couple things and I tagged along with him. We got a couple things for the boys, just like some yogurt, and I did get them like some snacks. I told my husband recently that I wanted to like find some snacks for them to eat. I didn't really find the brand I was looking for, and I'm not trying to be nitpicky, but like I just don't know what's a good brand and what's going to have like less ingredients, and I would prefer to go that route. But I did find one, and I just totally forgot about bananas. They eat a banana every morning, so I forgot about banana. So it's okay because they still have peaches, but I will be getting some bananas soon. And then I was on the lookout for some body wash and body scrub and shampoo, conditioner, because I don't have any. I've been using my husband's. I did find the Tree Hut in Walmart. I didn't know they sell that, and the watermelon smells so good, like so good. I was gonna get the Crumble like body wash, and I smelled it. I don't know, I did not like it. Like, I don't know. I know it's cute and pink, and I understand that, beautiful, but no, I did not like that scent. It's not like sugar cookie, but like the nasty kind, because I love sugar cookies. Ow! I love sugar cookies, but I did not like that scent. That Crumble Dove, I think, collab, whatever. Not a good fan. Like, no, I'm not a fan about that. So I also did find my mouthwash. I'm so excited, because I really am trying to be like an oral care queen. I don't know, but yeah, I did find it. But the good thing is I can just try and find some shampoo or something Friday or this weekend, I guess. We'll see. But I'll see you guys soon because these guys have to go to sleep. The baddest. Beautiful! Everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Little Me's. And I and my husband and the boys are home. He does go to work though, but a little later, so it's okay. I finally ordered a desk for my stuff. I was trying to find like a cheap one in Facebook Marketplace and probably do like my own DIY, but I ended up just like not finding one. Everything was a little bit more expensive than a little bit more than I anticipated to like buy, because I wanted something like 50 and less, but I couldn't find one. But since Amazon has a spring sale going on, I actually found one for like $56, and it has like little compartments on the side and drawers. It's white, it seems pretty long, so hopefully I did not look at the dimensions, and I should have looked at the dimensions, but I didn't. But that one comes in tomorrow. My husband bought a crib for the boys. I will show you guys in another video, or when it comes, because it's not here. We also got them like the little head protectors, like a backpack, and because they're both sitting, but sometimes they still fall, so we got them that, which is very exciting. They're growing up so fast, and it is Thursday, trash day. I did go to Walmart yesterday and like bought a couple things. I was so happy to get my mouthwash. I'm probably gonna go grocery shopping again. I'll probably jot down like some ideas for like what I'm gonna be making the boys. I ended up making some tater tots. I used one of my sister's recipes, which I thought was pretty cool, and it came out good. I am increasing their water a little bit more just because they are going number 2 more, but it seems to be like they're holding on, so I want them to like let loose. We really do need to find a good comforter. Our comforters suck. They really do suck. Anyways, guys, I have to go make something for the boys. They're probably gonna have their usual, but I'll probably give them peaches instead because they've had so much banana, and we still have some leftover peaches. So I'm gonna give them some peaches, some oatmeal, yogurt. I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, I do want to prep my little containers. So we're gonna have like a little preppy little thing. All right, you guys, so we're in the kitchen again, and then the boys are watching TV. My husband went to go take a shower because he has to go to work. I am going to fix this finally. I bought this like 2-3 weeks ago and I have not prepped it. So these are just like 2-section snack prep sets. I plan to put like yesterday I got some jack cheese, some cubed ones, and then I have the peppered salami cracker cut. I've never had these, but they looked kind of good because of the pepper inside. And then I'm gonna do that's for one section, like one of the trays, and then I'm gonna do apple with some peanut butter. I like almond butter though too. This is creamy. I would prefer a crunchy, but it's okay. I forgot to tell my husband I wanted a crunchy and he got the creamy. And then we have these. I've actually been eating these at night, so that's why they're open. So they're not gonna last. And the boys are watching cartoons here. Let's look at them. I probably have like 10-15 minutes. I need to hurry up. Okay guys, this is super cool. I've never used this before, so the fact that it's here, I literally told my mother-in-law, like, oh my god, this is like super cool. Like, it saves lives, you know? Like, it's so easy to cut because like, I shouldn't put a lot of pressure. But now I have cut slices. But yeah, look how gorgeous this looks. Like, that's so cool. So cool. So I guess I just take this out. Oh my god, finger messed up. But yeah, this is so cool. I've never used it and it's like so simple and easy. And then this is trash. So really cool because like now you have like these pieces here and it doesn't really have any of the seeds, so I thought it was pretty cool. So okay, now I got these. They sell these in Amazon. Oh my gosh, in Amazon. But I got these in Marshalls, I think, for $7.99. So if you guys are in need of these, Marshalls has it. Okay, I'm gonna rinse some of these out, and then that way we can put this in here. A lot of you are probably thinking that was a lot of peanut butter, but not really. Not really. Man. I have peanut butter nowhere. Okay, I have that, and then I'm gonna put the chocolate chips on top. I have some leftover apples. I did have to cut it in a little bit of chunks, I will say, but it's okay. Like, I still cut them in chunks and they were able to fit because the long ways was not fitting. So this is okay. I mean, it's fine. Hey guys, sad day. I'm gonna have to dump these out. They had them since for like maybe already a month, but they're already kind of getting like discolorated. But I really did like these. These they're from the Newbie brand. These were for the Newbie brand, and I know it was pretty easy, but they just look really bad. So I'm just gonna dump these out today. So it's a sad day, but we do have more. What about you guys? I personally hate this weather. I don't know. I do not like rainy days. I hate rainy days. I feel like rainy days are meant for like me and my husband to be in bed all day with the kids and not do absolutely nothing. But it's not the case. I don't know. It just gives me like, I guess I do like it. No, I don't like it, but it does give me cozy vibes, you know? Like I got my cozy socks on for show. See, like these, super cozy for this type of weather. You need something like this. I think things are like the cloud socks. I got these for Christmas, I believe, but they're so comfortable. But oh my god, this weather, oh my god. And I think tomorrow is gonna be like this too, and then Saturday, which really does suck. But this is the views right now. Well, there you go.
I don't know how to fix that clock on that microwave though. That just irritated me. I can't stand the blinking.
Why? We're about to try.
What do you know about it? What do you say we dance, honey?
Yes, I think so. It was nice seeing you.
Oh, I thought I told you. Yeah, she just told me last week or the other day one. And she sent me a picture of it. Yeah, yeah, she did.
It's great to finally see you guys. Yeah, I know it's been so long.
Oh, his nail.
Yeah.
That's what you been pinching me with.
Alright guys, so the boys are in their bed and right now I'm just waiting for my husband to get home and we're just gonna call it a day. Alright guys, so the boys are in their bed and right now I'm just waiting for my husband to get home. He did a night shift and we're just gonna call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.